Yo viewers, this is going to be Curbside Scavenging Finds number 4, I think. This time we have a Lasko Power Plus box fan. And this is kind of a weird case because this thing looks like it's pretty much brand new. Not really much of any dirt to speak of. I mean, there's some dirt on there, but not much. And the feet are still there. The motor is certainly clean enough to still be running correctly. But I tend to think this is not going to work because this was located in a recycling bin, and within that same recycling bin was the box to a different fan, different Lasko box fan. So I'm gonna guess it doesn't work, but can't fathom why. The plug is all kind of jacked up here, but let's see if it still fits an outlet. It does still fit. Okay, here we go. Nothing. Okay, well, it doesn't work. So let's see if I can fix it.